Hi, this is Buzz Cantor, and I'm visiting a friend's shop. I can't say where, and I'm not going to anyway. But he's a British guy. He's mostly into British stuff. A lot of Vincents. So we got Vincents over here, early Rapide, a Brough-Superior up on the wall. So this is a red frame Vincent's coming apart. Looks like a Rapide. There's an Abington King Dick. We'll move around here. We got more Vincent's. Here's a Comet, a single cylinder. There's a red Rapide behind it, and a Norton. This looks like an Interstate Commando with that seat treatment. A Vincent Black Shadow B. A Vincent Rapide, oh, I'm sorry, C, that's a Rapide B. And beginning of a Brough-Superior coming together here. And racing Comet. And a custom Egley style Vincent. Pretty cool brakes. The chrome frame and the swing arm. So here we have it. All sorts of wild stuff for the British motorcycle enthusiast. Gotta love it. Buzz Cantor, deep in the British country. The radio, fortunately, is not a Lucas, so it does work.